Hey everybody, in this video I will show you exactly how to set up a business account on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. To set this up, first open your Instagram account and then click on your profile at the top right corner. Next, click on the three bars in the top right corner and then click on Settings. Scroll down a bit until you find Account Type and Tools. Then click on it and switch to a professional account. Hit continue until you reach the page where you can select categories. Select the option to switch to a professional account and also turn on Display on Profile. Then select Business. Make sure to fill in your contact information for leads, and if you want to show the contact info on your profile, turn that on. Afterward, click on Next. If you want to connect your Instagram professional account with Facebook, it's up to you. So that's it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.